Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A tropical cyclone warning's been declared for coastal areas north of Serena, but thankfully the cyclone watch extending to Yeppoon has been cancelled. Cyclone Yassi is no joke. We're expecting it to cross near Cairns in the dark hours of Wednesday, Thursday, with strong winds and widespread rain extending into central Queensland. Temperatures today 24 to 31 degrees in Rockhampton with humidity 64%. Gladstone also got 31, Billawheeler 32, Yeppoon 30, Emerald 34. On the satellite loop now, firstly folks, you've got what's left of Tropical Cyclone Anthony still hovering down there in the southwest, producing quite a bit of rain and severe storms, would you believe. Otherwise, just a couple of storms up and down the Queensland coastal range, but otherwise it seems Tropical Cyclone Yassi is cannibalising all the moisture and keeping the rest of Queensland at the moment reasonably dry. Now on today's chart, Tropical Cyclone Yassi, it's an enormous system, it's a monster. Category 3 at the moment, but very quickly intensifying, probably reach Category 4 very soon tonight, and heading on a west-southwesterly course at the moment. Now there's a cyclone warning from Cape Melville all the way down to Serena, and on tomorrow's chart what we'll see is that the cyclone starts to take a west-southwesterly track. At this stage we're expecting a crossing possibly somewhere between Cooktown and Townsville, either in the early hours of Thursday or maybe late Wednesday night. There'll be lots of rain and storms. We're expecting gusts up to 170 kilometres an hour as the cyclone crosses. On the outlook chart, once it crosses, we could see another 24 hours of widespread heavy rain before the cyclone actually turns into a low. And now the official forecasts. In coastal waters from St Lawrence to Burnett Heads, a strong wind morning north of Gladstone, southeasterlies to northeasterlies up to 33 knots, and then a 4-metre swell offshore. So I think staying at home is probably a good idea. And by Friday the winds will ease, of course. Now tomorrow's high tides at Roslyn Bay around 8:49 a.m. Port Alma 8:58, Gladstone 9:04. The Capricornia district forecast showers and storms, some squally rain in the north with strengthening winds, rain easing on Thursday, and then on Friday just showers and storms. Central Highlands and coalfields, rain and storms developing late, and then on Thursday some squally rain, but it will ease during the afternoon. Tomorrow's temps, Rockhampton 32 degrees, Gladstone 31, Yeppoon 29, Billawheeler 32, Emerald 33. The Rockhampton City forecast, Buckley's chance of a 4-day outlook in this kind of scenario, but things generally get better after a cyclone makes landfall. Hurricanes, typhoons and tropical cyclones, they're just different names for the same thing. A North American hurricane is equivalent to a severe tropical cyclone, except it revolves the opposite way. If it happens in the Asian Pacific, it's called a typhoon. Sleep peacefully, my friends. Full coverage on Yassi this time tomorrow. Back to you, Joe.
Okay, thanks for that, Livio. And that's 7 local news for this Tuesday night. Thanks for your company.
A reminder of our email address, localnews@7.com.au. Take care. See you tomorrow. Good night.
See you then. Good night.